What's up, everyone? This is Crypto Suf coming to you on February 1st, 2018. We're going to get into this with some news articles to start it off, and then we're going to talk about Bitcoin just a little bit. And I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for stopping by, and let's get this started. So first up, guys, we have Tether again, and for the past few months they've been in the news, and they've been getting a lot of heat recently. A lot of accusations have been coming out. This thing right here says reports find correlation between USDT issuance and Bitcoin price moves. So there's a little bit of correlation between the price of Bitcoin and how many tethers are out there. So approximately 48.8% of bullish price movement have occurred within the 2 hours immediately following 91 individual tether grants. That's crazy, guys. So that's saying basically every time, or 91% of the time, there was an individual tether grant, which means Tether basically printed out a new batch of a lot of tether coins within 2 hours. Half these bullish price movements in Bitcoin have been going up within 2 hours after that print. So that's crazy, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below about this Tether issue. It's a really big issue. I know there's a lot of people saying that this is what's going to bring cryptocurrencies down, and I mean, technically it really could, and a lot of things are possible in this point. Tether could be telling the truth about how much they have, but on the other hand, they could really be lying about that, and I think that's a very important thing, and this is very crucial to the whole market at this point, guys. Tether's subject to speculation regarding suspicious activities during 2017. So there's just so many articles about this, guys. Reports find USDT issuance and Bitcoin price volatility to be highly correlated. The dramatic explosion in the number of USDT has led to speculation that Tether has been used as a means by Bitfinex in order to maintain liquidity on the exchange, following the loss of its banking partners, with some analysts going as far as to accuse Tether of mass-producing USDT as a means to manipulate the price of Bitcoin. So guys, what that basically means is, let's say Bitcoin is on a dip, right? Let's say we're back in September, October, November, and Bitcoin is what, 3,000 to 5,000. That rise right then from 5,000-ish to 10,000-ish could have very well been partly due to the USDT tokens just being created out of thin air. So Bitfinex literally has the ability to create new tokens whenever they want without having to pay any money, guys. So what they can do is literally create those tokens and start buying Bitcoin themselves as the exchange, as the company. So what that can then do is increase the market cap of Bitcoin, increase the market cap of the whole cryptocurrency market, and just influence everyone to go ahead and continuously buy. And it seems to just be a huge pump and dump scheme or scam. So that's there's a lot of speculation behind this. I would read more into this, guys, if you guys are confused about this. It's very important to stay up to date with this. I'm watching this carefully because I know about the issues that could come after this. But honestly, guys, in my personal opinion, I am not too worried about the cryptocurrency market as a whole crashing anytime soon. Other than that, here's another interesting article. Bitcoin price from India side. So this was just an hour ago. India's been in the news a little lately. And this specific article suggests that the drop in Bitcoin over the past day has been because a simple misinterpretation of in the media of a government's speech on the regulation of Bitcoin. So actually the Minister of Finance yesterday actually came out with a statement, and in that statement he says that the government does not recognize cryptocurrency as legal tender or coin and will take all measures to eliminate the use of these crypto assets in financing legitimate activities or as part of the payment system. Wow, right? So I mean, these guys are really tightening up everything, but he did not say he's banning it. He did not say they're banning it. He did not say they're going to eliminate the use of cryptocurrencies. They said the use of these crypto assets in financing illegitimate activities. Okay, guys? So then you see people start to come out with tweets, and this specific person tweeted, cryptocurrencies are illegal since they can't be traced. This is basically his understanding of what the speech was about, which they did not say cryptocurrencies are illegal. Another person comes out and says Bitcoin to be banned, cryptocurrency illegal in India, says Aaron Jutli. This is the guy who actually came up with the speech. He's the no, I'm sorry, not prime minister, the minister of finance, from India's finance minister, Aaron Jutli. So guys, this specific article suggests that the markets in turn fell in trading on Thursday. Bitcoin dipped from 10,300 down to around 9,500, simply because of a little bit of misinterpretation. So, what do you guys think? Is that possible? Does Bitcoin does India have that much power over Bitcoin to make it drop that much? It wasn't a huge drop, but do you guys think that was the full case, or I mean, let me know in the comments below, guys. This is pretty interesting, and it seems like because of there's so much speculation going on, any little thing could be the issue, and you just never know, right, guys? So, I mean, it just shows how far a little bit of social media and a little bit of misinterpretation can go in terms of the whole masses just getting confused and panicking at every little change in the market, right? So what actually happened, India wants to eliminate the use of cryptocurrencies in illegitimate activities. But as a lot of people heard or took it, they're assuming that India wants to eliminate Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in whole. So that's something interesting, guys. That's something to watch out for, because just a little bit of misinterpretation can actually change the price, it seems. Let's go on to the next article. Next, I want to talk about Samsung in cryptocurrency. So it says Samsung is now making chips for cryptocurrency mining. That's very interesting, guys. Samsung is one of the biggest electronics companies in the world, and they're very popular for their phones and tablets. It's confirmed Samsung has started mass-producing chips designed for cryptocurrency mining, known as Application-Specific Integrated Circuits, ASICs, ASIC. The Korean tech giant yesterday, January 31st, announced its fourth quarter revenue, which came in at 66 trillion won, which is equal to 61 billion US dollars, a 24% increase year over year. That's in large part thanks to strong demand for Samsung's memory chips used in data centers and smartphones. But here's what was buried in the company's statement. They actually said, guys, in the first quarter, earnings are expected to rise on the ramp up of second generation 10nm process products for this year's flagship smartphones and growing demand for cryptocurrency mining chips. I don't think there's actually a way to stop cryptocurrencies at this point, guys. It's growing, it's getting huge mining. So these are just a few articles, guys. Let me know what you guys think. This is my first news update. I hope you guys liked it. And now we're going to get into the Bitcoin analysis. Just a little bit of Bitcoin analysis of the cryptocurrency market in whole.